Tom Osinde uria wari muruti wira ministry-ini ya KIGINA orire makiria ma kiumia kimwe githiru na andu a family yake hamwe na maabithaa uthuthuria ruhonge-ini rwa DCI makoretwo makigeria uria wothe kungihotekeka kumenya kuria ari o nginyagia rire mwiri wake uronekanire rũĩ-inĩ rwa KUNJA kaunti-ini ya MIGORI na gukinyia muthia mihango ya kumwetha. Andu a nyumba ya Osinde ni makuranire mwiri uyu uri wa umwe wao ona gutuika ni maregire kwaria na andiki ya mohoro no hamwe na Dr. Dan Ochieng wa thibitari wa rifaro wa MIGORI ni mateithanirie gutigirira mwiri uyu no atwaro mochari-ini ya thibitari wa Kisii level 5 kuria ugwikwo postmortem niguo kumenya niki kingikorwo kiracungiriire gikuo giake. Osinde orire tariki 18 mweri uyu riria aumire mucii kwao kaunti-ini ya Nakuru akienda guthie mucii kwao kaunti-ini ya Nyamira na mathaa manini tu thutha wa kuma Nakuru thimu ciake ni ciahorire na ndacokire gukinya Nyamira.
Cannot tell whether it was before or during the period because the family members, close family members, were not around during the period and have not discussed with them about the same.
Gukinyiria riu andu eri ni mareketie guikio ngono magikuruhanio na gikuo giki hamwe na wari ni umwe wa aruti wira ake uria utambulikanite ta Julius Mogoi uria urerikana niwe mari nake ndagika cia muthia mbere ya agitwo na ati ndagika-ini icio Osinde ni amutumite gutwara mbeca kuri mutumia umwe kaunti-ini ya Kericho na ihinda rinini thutha ucio ngari ya Osinde muthemba wa Land Cruiser V8 rangi muiro ikionekana itiganirio mwena wa Kilgoris county-ini ya Narok.
We have several avenues. We have expert leads whereby we are still combining together and we'll assure you that we are going to ensure that if at all there are people who are involved, we'll leave no stone unturned.
Mwiri wa Osinde wonekanire tariki 22 mweri uyu uri na nguraro cia kuguthwo na kindu gituhu na ni wohetwo na mikanda. Mwikuirwo ucio ni aratwarirwo igoti-ini na kuria igoti rirathanire ahingirwo rumande thiku 21 uthuthuria ugithiaga na mbere.
The suspect held at the police custody are held for the offense of abduction, and we have permission from the court. We went and request for custodial order whereby we were given 21 days to enable us to complete our investigation.
Hadina Kameme TV retware yako ni Kimani wa Gujiri.